The basic idea behind this little program is to demonstrate how the CSS Transform property works. The viewport is split into 4 sections. The header holds input range elements or sliders to modify transform property value parameters. The footer to display the currently implemented transform property. The aside element on the left side lets you choose any possible transform property value to implement. The main element on the right side contains the element the transforms will be applied to. Some random images and text for better visuals are put inside this transformable element. Let's take a look at the code. The 4 aforementioned elements header, footer, aside and main have a 2D layout, as if they need a grid layout to position them. Take a look at how they are positioned. The header, the footer, the aside, the main. But it is possible to position them in this manner using flex wrap, and the CSS calc function. Why not grid but flex and flex wrap? For the sake of trying something new. There are relatively a lot of control elements, radio buttons to select units, transform property values and value parameters. The sliders are in the header, the radio buttons inside the aside element. What is to note here? Different CSS transform property values require different numbers of parameters. For example, the translation requires 2, the translate 3D requires 3, the translate X requires 1, and so on. The second thing is that when I change the value of some parameter, it will be optimal to display it right next to the selected transform value. The third thing is that the number of sliders should be equal to the number of parameters required by the current CSS transform property value. That's why after each radio button there are span elements with the respective class name. The number of span elements is equal to the number of required parameters. This allows JavaScript to easily get this number by selecting all these span elements by class name. I write the extensive comments to explain every variable and statement in the code, so you will be able to figure out how it all works if need be. File location is in the description. I scroll the whole file now. That's all for now. Have a nice one.